Have you heard the engine? How did you feel when you heard
noise.
it? It makes a noise. That's good to know. That's very handy.
Yeah.
Good answer.
How did it feel when you heard it for the first time? Because it's all new powertrains.
Yeah, I mean, it sounded good. I mean, it sounded...
Like an engine.
It sounded like... yeah, it sounded...
I hope so.
I mean, it's of course you hear it on a dyno, but sounded like crisp.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess, I mean, I'm
I
not
haven't
sure
heard it
they
yet,
actually
so I don't know.
develop on the noise, but
True.
I mean, it made a good noise. I mean, it's not a V10, but
No.
Yeah.
When it's on track and it's at speed, it's going to sound.
I guess, I hope so.